My name is Karina. I am your teacher in today's story, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. In a small, rundown house on the edge of a busy town, lived a kind boy named Charlie Bucket. He lived with his parents and four grandparents. They were very poor and often had little to eat, but Charlie was always happy with what he had. One day, the famous chocolate maker Willy Wonka announced a contest. He hid 5 golden tickets in his chocolate bars. The lucky winners would get a tour of his magical factory and a lifetime supply of chocolate. Against all odds, Charlie found the last golden ticket. He was overjoyed and decided to take his grandpa Joe to the factory tour. At the factory, Charlie and the other 4 winners, Augustus Gloop, Veruca Salt, Violet Beauregard, and Mike Teavee, were greeted by the eccentric Willy Wonka. The factory was full of wonders beyond their wildest dreams, rivers of chocolate, candy trees, and amazing inventions. But not everyone behaved. Augustus Gloop, who loved to eat, fell into the chocolate river and got stuck in a pipe. Next, Violet Beauregard, who couldn't resist chewing gum, tried an experimental piece and turned into a giant blueberry. Veruca Salt, who was very spoiled, wanted a squirrel for herself and ended up being judged a bad nut and thrown down the garbage chute by Wonka's trained squirrels. Mike Teavee, who was obsessed with television, tried to use a teleportation device and ended up shrinking to a few inches tall. Finally, only Charlie was left. Willy Wonka revealed that the entire contest was a way to find a deserving heir to his factory. Because Charlie was kind and good-hearted, he was chosen to inherit the chocolate factory. Charlie and his family moved into the wonderful factory, where they never had to worry about food or money again. They lived happily ever after, surrounded by candy and love. And that, dear children, is the magical story of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. Remember, being kind and good can lead to the sweetest rewards. Share your valuable feedback on how you like the story so we can create the best story for your kids. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel.